Okay, the question comes from a Hong Kong Diploma of Secondary Education examination. It's question 12 from the 2023 exam. Right, reading through it, again, I think they're good questions. I'm not sure how the students are being prepped in this, but if they're getting questions like this in a classroom and then coming in to an exam, they get the same question, it's really rote learning. My suspicion, they have not seen this question before, by the way. That's my suspicion. Or if they did, it's by chance they saw it before, and not part of the curriculum where they keep pounding the same thing over and over again. But then it says, you're given f of x is partly constant and partly varies as x squared. Suppose that f of 10 is 62, f of 15 is 122, find f of 5. So I'll go to the whiteboard, and I want to do that one first. I'm going to write down what they said. And certainly writing down what they said is probably the biggest struggle people have, by the way. But anyway, let's write this down. They say that f of x, they say it's partly constant and partly varies as x squared, by the way. So I'm going to say that in that case, there's going to be some constant x squared times x squared, and then some constant b. All right, I'll write that down. The next thing they say, f of 10, again, I'm still reading the question. F of 10 is 62. What does that mean? Well, if x is 10, I get 100a plus b. Then they want to say f of 15. Well, that's crazy. Is going to be equal to 122. Well, 15 squared is 225, a plus b. Well, I have two equations and two unknown, and I could, basically solve this thing by doing a very simple subtraction problem. And what do you get? You're going to get 60. I'm subtracting, by the way. 122 minus 62 is going to be 60. 225 minus 100 is going to be 125. And then plus b. Minus b, there's going to be no b's. This is good. So what do I get? I get 60 over 125 equals a. Let's see, I'm going to divide by 5, and you get 12. 5 goes to 60 12 times, and it goes into 25, it goes into 125 25 times. All right, so I know what a is. A is 12 over 25. Now, I'm going to use this equation to figure out the b now. And what do you get? You're going to get 62 equals 100 times the a, which is 12 over 25, plus the b. 62. 25 goes into 25 once, goes into this 4 times. You're going to get 48 plus b. And then what do you get? Take 48 from both sides, and you're going to get 14. So now I know my function. F of x is equal to, well, the a is 12 over 25, x squared, and the b turned out to be 14. All right? Now, was that their question? That is not their question. Their question is, what's f of 5? That's going to be 12 over 25, and 5 squared is 25. And what are you going to get there? 12 plus 14, which is going to be 26. All right? This one's done. We'll go to the next question. I'll do a separate video for that. Thank you.